Hello friends, in this video I want to talk about data types in C language. So data types basically store a piece of information. So in any programming language we have data types. In C programming language we just see that when we create a data type, it means we can create, store, remove data. Let's see some data types in C programming. Integer. Integer is for number, negative or positive. Second one is float. Float is for floating point number. So character we have. Character is, as you know, while we have written here char means for character. So we have short integer is also a data type. And after that we have unsigned character. This is also a character data type, which I'll talk in detail in next video. So signed character we have. So another data type is long and short integer. I've written here integer. So these are the data types in C language. So we are using these data types in all thereof C language, whatever program we create or make. So basically these are the values we just see. So now we have talked about this. Let's talk about variable in C language. So I just want to comment on this. I just clear this and I want to talk about variable. So a variable is just a name area of storage that can hold a single value. That value can be a number or a letter or a character. So let's see how to define a variable. So the first thing we have that data type name. Data type name is must. After that variable name. So if I say data type, it's enough, I think. Then after that variable name. What this mean? What this means? So it means that data type, when I see data type, means integer or anything. So variable name, let's have number. So this is must. I must not forget there semicolon. Semicolon is must here. So this is the way to declare a variable. So we have two variable type. One local variable and the other is global. So what is local variable in C language or what is global variable in C language? So first of all, I want to talk about global variable. I want to comment out this. So global variable means to declare outside of the function. outside of any function while we say. How? Let's see. I want to declare a global variable here, integer x. This is, let's comment out this. Global variable. So this is a global variable, and after that we have main function, and here I want to this is a number. We just say this, that number, and this number we just want to initialize this number by 10, or we assign this 10. Let's print this number. The value is %d. A, for example, number, for example. We have this. Just want to save and run this. You see on the console that this is 10. The value is 10. So this is basically, I mean that this is a global variable and this is a local variable. I just want to say local variable, and here I have initialized this. So let me print this number. For example, I want to assign this into 5 x. I just want to print. You see that the global variable is also printed as same as local variable I have printed. So basically, global variable means while we initialize or we declare a global variable, it means all over the program we can access. So it is globally we have declared or initialized a variable. So while we say local variable, we have initialized here a local variable. We have declared here, and here I have initialized that particular number or that particular variable. So it means without here we cannot use it anywhere else in this program. While we have a large program, so we just have many functions we cannot access here. So, and scope lectures, while we reach to scopes, I will talk and I'll have more details on this. So how to declare a variable? So I said variable means this part, number. How to declare this? So we can start here or start this by letters. The letter may be uppercase and lowercase, but I must say that C language is case sensitive. But if I write here uppercase, I must change this as well. So we can write or we can start from uppercase or lowercase of letter. So we can start here underscore. So let's print this once again, because we just see whether it is correct or not. It must show 10. Actually, it have shown that. So two things. Number one, the letter should be uppercase or lowercase, or the starting point or the start of that variable should be underscore or letter. So one more thing I want to say, space should not be between them. So if I have an space here, it will show an error. Let's see. See here, error expected. So space should be avoided. So let's see like this. Integer first number or 1. We can also have this. First number 1. Let's see whether it gives the correct answer or not. Again, it must give us 10. See, 10.